Malo lau malia hau e ki moe nele ai Tonga kutoa, whiawhia ki tantale le ki mo tolu ki mo uniongo mo le teo mo televisone Tonga ki he hauwani. I he wakai ki ngahi tala nola lahi o hauwa. Me ai tama Princess Kalauni mo tahine Princess Kalauni i hapolo kalama makehe ke whainonga i ai tau fo o si ai nā. A ahi mai ki tongani ai taki e wa ngau whawhetu o ai ofisi whampastoa a Amerika i Fisi. Pea wikia mo whakamalo ia e minista tak maumata ai mes hei la lasios ana tau moi peau i hapolo kalama makehe hiriange ai whiauhi Miss Pasifiki. Koe ngahi tala noa ia ki he hauwani pe whoki ki wakai ki mala e oi sipoti mo e whamatala ia. Koe wakai le vaini ki he whakai ki ke ngahi o ngongo ko ang popua aho. Nā e mea i tama Princess Kalauni te potoa ulukalala mo tahine Princess Kalauni sinai takala mo hona whale alo i he pokalama makehe i loto Nuku'alofa aniafi ne tataki e he ofisi whakampastoa a siaina i tongani ke whainongai ai tau fo o siaina pika Chinese New Year. Ni te atau kapo mo whaikiki.
Koe tau fo o siaina, o ko Moimoi fokia i he lau mahina whakasiaina. O whakatatau ke tui me tangatu whakaholo a siaina, aia koe tau kotoa o whakatatau ke taha o whangamanu e taha ua o sotiaka whakasiaina, pea koe tauni koe tau o hosi, hange koe whakatapu. O wanga maheni ke whakahoko e polokalama whakailonga i o tau fo o siaina, ke o fisi whakaampastoa pe a siaina i tongani, ka i he tauni ne nā whakatūtua i e polokalama makehe i e Teach Cell Square i loto Nuku'alofa ke inasi heni mo kakai kotoa o whanua. Nā mea i e polokalamani a eiki whatawhehi o la paha, tuita, eiki palemia no pere whawhanua, ho eiki minister, kau whawhawhonga whakadiplometi ka mei muli, mo kau whakaawhi toko lahi.
On behalf of the government and the people of the Kingdom of Tonga, I extend our heartfelt festive greetings and best wishes.
Nā me ai a eiki palemia o whakahoko e pōpuak tala monu o tau fo o ki e kāinga siaina. O ne whakamamawhai ai e wāwhingau aki wāhawhia tonga ni mo siaina i he kōhili mo hokohoko atu pē ai ngā unu ki mua mo whakalakalaka ai wāwhingau aki koia i he lolo tongani mo whakatoa mili e ki e kaha u. Ia mea ambastoa a siaina ki tongani, His Excellency Lu Wei-min. O whakamalo ia e whengau e aki me pōpō a tongani ki e aho mau inga ko e ni ma ai ka inga siaina. Pehe e he ambastoa, ko tau fo o i siaina, o whakamamawhaia e whamili, o hoko eni ko whainga mali ki e whakatahataha i e whamili ki api ki e kātoanga o tau fo o, aia o iloa ko Spring Festival. Nāne whakamaala alai o pehe o kunau amanak lei ki ngai whakalakalaka e lawa ke hoko i e tau ka hoko i he whengau e aki atongani mo siaina. Koe polokalama ane awhi ne whakahoko ai e ngai whakaali-ali o hiwa me ngai whaiwa whakasiaina, ka pehe ke ngai teunga me ununganga whakawhanua a siaina. Nā toko lahi whoki me kāinga siaina na nau ngauhi mo whakatawa atu e ngahi koloa mea tokoni, ko e ngahi mea tokoni o kwanga maheni ke mau e kakai siaina, i hono whakawhiawhia i o e tau fo o. Nā toko lahi ai e kakai tonga ni nau lawa atu ke mamata mo kautonu i he polokalama na e whakotūtuu. Ai nei hoko e ni ka whakaali-ali lelei o wāwhingau aki ai kakai siaina mo e kakai tonga. Ma ai o ngonga le tio mo televisone tonga, kōri tea tau kapo.
Nā e aahi mai ki tongani ai taki o wa ngā whakawhetu ai ofisi whampastoa a Amerika i suwa fisi, ko George Mills, o ne mau whakamali ai ke whakataha mo ekpalemia no pere whakawhanua i he wikeni. Koe a ahi mai koe ni a Mills na lava mai ai me wakapuna seti a Amerika o ku whakaata ma ai kau tāke o ngai whanua Pasifiki ke nao ngawe aki ke takoni ki ngai whia mao whewhalau aki i he Pasifiki. Nei mao whainga mani ai ke whakahoko i pēr fuafua whanawa e kpale mia i he wakapuna koe ni ai a koe whalau no pēni ke whakahoko a e savea me he ata ke wakai ki ngahi mo o ngāwhia ni ihi i Tongani o kauheni a hunga Tonga, hunga haapai, to fua kai pehe ke mo ngāwhi home reef ai ko kei tu ai whakatukanga ki ngahi e lia ofi ke mo ngāwhi koe ni. Pea i he kakato i ngahi whatongia kotoa ki he wheauhi whinimisi hoi hoi fua ai Miss Pacific Islands na e whoki mai ai pea Miss Heila Lasios ana tau mai peau ki Tongani i he henghengi ane a whi. Nei taltalia ia e pot ngawe tak mamata i ha polokalama whakamalo ma kehe i he ofisi pēr tak mamata i loto Nuku'alofa i he whiawhi ane a whi. Ni te atau kapo, moi tala noa ko ia.
Na e mea e minista taki mamata, se Misi Sika, o ne whakamalo ia ai fuawhatongia ai Miss Heilala mo no family, mo kau poupou i he whakafofonga i whakaofa a Tonga i he whiauhi Miss Pasifiki. Pehe e minista na e whakawhiawhia ai lava e tau mo peau o whakatātaha e kakaitonga, te tau pē i Tongani mo muli, ke nau poupou ki whenga na e whakahoko, pe o pole ai e Tonga kotoa i ene kau atu ki e whiauhi. Nai mea e minista, koe mea mahu inga taha mi he ngai whiauhi whakawhitu peheni, koe whainga maali e ko ia ke tuu whakataha e whanua o teke mo poupou ki whine mui hoi hoi fua o kune whafofonga e Tongani, pe ne wiki ai e Miss Heilala i ne whakafofonga i lelei a Tongani koe hi o i kai koa mea whainga fua a whiauhi Miss Pasifiki.
O mea peko ko ilo i peko hai pe na e whai whakamau. Ofisiare mo tai ofisiare, koe kuongo i a aku na e ave ko toi tau poupou ki a Miss Sosiana. He ko hono uhinga na i kai ke whakamomua nima, pena ne omai kakato, pe se te teo. That's what matters most. Na e whai ono releita. Aia, koe mea kou ku tau wako me ai, koe tau whakapapai, ai whakamapopo moe ola, o ngā aue, na e whakahoko, e Miss Sosiana tau moe peau, as an ambassador on behalf of all of us.
Na i e polokalaman e kau ngau e pot ngau e taki mamata, pe lava atu a tau moe peau mono family pe he ke ni ihi kehe ne nau poupou ke whenga na e whakahoko. Na e whakamalo ia i he Miss Heilala ai poupou, whakaloto lahi, mo tokon ko toa pēne i nasi ai lolotonga ai vei pā ke kalauni o Miss Pasifiki. O ne pehe, ne onga ngahi pole ko toa ne whihanga ngai moia, kana e hoko e whiauhi ke whainga mali e lelei, ke toi whaofi angia e kau whafofonga o ngahi whanua Pasifiki ke he, pia lava ke langa ai vāsi o whani i he kauwhine mui koe ni, pia neongo ai ola, ka kona wikuna kotoa i he lava lelei a whiauhi. Ma ai o ngongo le ti om television ni Tonga, ko tea tau kapo.
Ko e whakamumita hape ia me he ngahi i o ngongo whakaloto whanua, hoko mai o kahirieni ko e tau wakaieni ki he malae o e sipoti mo pia o lie.
Malama toki whilongo ki koe wakaingi mai o e sipoti. Kua koto whai aho nima mo ono o maasi ke vei pā i ngahi lau tohi o Tongatapu, te o kōko mi ai hatimi ke whaari ari e whiau spoti ngahi kodisi he mahina ko e peleri. I hene pēna e whahako he pāke teu whai wahi spoti whawahe iki ke unuhi mi ai relei taha ki no whafungai ai wahe ha ke ki whiau he mahina katu u. Nei whahae ofisa spoti ngahi lau tohi, hei muri pangai ki a ngongo e whareni koe tauni o kutana ki mai mui tau walu ki he whiau hi whawahe.
Ka i he taun lewa ku whotutu lewa o te arifo lewa kamata i he tau walu ai mau spoti. Sai pagoi mau alu koe he spoti lahi anga maheni pe hoki o mau wha alu hoki ke he pe e timi koe e ti e mai sata me he timi koe a Tonga State School. kai he tau ni mau whakaukau ke mau alupeo whaupe time ta he mau i he malu pe ta ai rewa mau alukata pe tia ma esa o whakatah mo Tonga Side School ke whawe mau timi ko sport whakorisi pia toka whakako rewa mau sport lahi ko ia i he wike ki tua aho nima mo aho ono koe o maasi ai ko wike ki tua ia whakako rewa kai mau ki time lele he mau e tewe whanau ke sport whakorisi.
E te me tau peo ko turi fua e pore sipoti mo ne komiti ki e taimi ko palani ki e potungao e ako tarifito ki e wikeni ki e whakato e sipoti a ngahi wahe.
E tunga taimi ni mau whenga e wikeni ki whakato e baungai tō kalama sports whakawahe. Ai koe mau konga hono ua ne mau poti e konga uraki mau school base ai koe whakaapi ako i. Ta koe konga hono ua en ono whakawahe ai ngahi api ako. Te wahe unau iai pa ku he wahe aki he wahe e walu. Ai koe ahoni ku whaasosi ai ko wahe hake uraki mo hake ua. Ya ko pongpong e whaasosi mai e wahe kolo uraki. E whalai te rewe te whakato e wahe kolo ua. Ta koe tunga ia koe mau wau e taimini. Mau whenga ke whakato e mau ngahi tō kalama koe wahe. O whiriwhiri bi ai whanau tene whakuponga e ngahi wahe takitaka. E whangaki api ako pe koe o e wahe o ia.
Nei kore ai pe pangai e poupou me mātou tai whanau tare whito ki e kau mamahi a te rita. Whai hato kone mo whi poupou aki mo kau whai ako e ngahi wahe ki ono pāo tolo aki e tare ni sipoti o e whanau.
Pea wiki mea make he pe koe ka tau ko osi whoki na mau fuu taiti au pito e taingo e te teu ai. E na mau ospe spoti i he wike taha. Pea spoti whakorisi rewa he wike hoku. Pea koe taun rewa mahaku e ki wike wha, mi mei nima, lawa rewa ke te teu ai e mau whanau. I he spoti whakorisi, pa koe whaosi pe o ku kore toi pe ki he kakai whanua, te mau e tau poupou. Tau lawa mai ki te whaiwa whahae poupou e tau ke tau whanau. Aki e tau om ki te whaiwa poupou nau. Tui me te unga koe lanu koe ai koe haure ka e tau i he wike ki tua i aho nima mo e aho ono o maasi.
Ka ke heo kahiri ai whiahui koe mahina katu e whiriwhiri ai pe a timi me he lau tohi pure anga mo e ako lotoloto ki he whiahui ngahi korisi me au tā whā ki tā whitu e pereri. Koe sipoti pe.
Ko e sipoti pe ia mo pia o lie, ka koe taim le vain ki ta wakai ki he whakamatala ea, ino tuku mai me he senta whakamatala ea Tonga i Whamotu, ai e whakahoko mai a e ino ke lelenga.
Malo e lau maare ho eki wa mo lele ia Tonga toa tai tai reiping mo tolu ki he tau whakamatala ea. Ngā he tala noa la lahe no e tau whakamatala ea whatawa ngā iange, ke i hoko pe ai alo maari e. Pe hoki he maa whanangi pa mo hau ea, ki he kotoa pe o Tonga. Kai ngā tai hoko pe pa mo hako, po tahi ko ia o teriki Tonga, pea mo teriki toke lau. Wakaire wain ki he imisi satellite ko ia ahoni, ha mahina o bito pe ai lahi alo maari e ko ia ai otu Tonga i e ahoni. Me yongo niwa wa pe foki hapai. Tu ke hange vai fonua ko Tongatapu pa mo ewa, nei foka ngahi ko ngā ao ngā unu mai pa me he whakatoke lau hifo. Na ne o mea ao fia, i hangahi taimi pe foki ha uhatu moto, i hangahi whitu pe ni ihi, ke vai fonua ko ia Tongatapu pa pe foki ki ewa. Kai ngā tai wepa mo alo tāmak uhalahi e toka ki he potahi ko ia o teriki Tonga pa mo teriki toke lau. O me alo tāmak ko ni uha mana. A pe foki ha viri hako e potahi ko ia o teriki Tonga pa mo teriki toke lau. Makatunga mea hono tukuat ko ia e whatokanga hako, pe foki e whare i koe ki ngai wakaiki. O te whito pen ke potahi ko ia o teriki Tonga pa mo teriki toke lau. Ko wakaile wain ke aho ko ia e nima ka hoko mai. Aho ni nima ko ia ka hoko mai, alo maari e ni lo tonga toka pe i he o tu Tonga. Pe foki ke al tāmaki ko ia unelo tonga toka ke potahi ko ia o teriki Tonga pa mo teriki toke lau. Whafuafua ke ngā unu atu e ki Tongatapu pa mo eua ke whalaiti ko wikeni. Malako ne omiha uha tu mo tō ki Tongatapu pa mo eua. Pea kau atu kei pa mo haapai. Ka koe whakaosinga koe wike, malako ke ngā unu hifo alo tāmaki uhalahi koe pa me whakatoke lau ki hongo niwa. Pea kau atu kei pa mo Tongatapu pa mo eua, wawau pa mo haapai. Malako ke uha o Tonga. Whakaosinga koe wike, pe foki. Ke kamataanga ko ia e wike kaha o. Wakaire wain ke tau whamtala ewe pa me pon o au ki he pongpong ko ia a pongi. Mahino be e lahi ke alomaria o Tonga I he poni. Tau vai whanonga tuka I he poni kia pongpongi. Lahi alomaria o Tonga whao peke au fia atu I ngahi vai whanonga Tongatapu mo eua. Kau kaipa mo hapai. Ngahi au maolunga ni nga unu mai pa me altamaki ko ia o toka I he whakatonga. Kai lahi ke alomaria pe ai o tu Tonga I he au poni. Ka koe fua mawhanani pe koe moko mua tahani. O fua mawhana I he poni e au ke maulalo pe koe tikiri se sase ua wha ki Tongatapu mo eua ua nima. Ki wa wau pe mo hapai pe ua ono ki he ongo ni ua. Ko tunga koe hawiri u ke yangi ik pe hawiri pa me he toke lau. Mo whiangi ake au ke mere tahe ongo fulu ke kotoa pe oi o Tonga. Whamtala e koe ki a pongi pongi. Ki hoko pe alomari e ki a pongi pongi. Whakau pe ke au fia. Ai o Tonga I hangahi taimi. Ka lahi ki alomari e pe ki a pongi pongi kotoa pe ngai vai whunu o Tonga. Mo fua mawhanani a pongi pongi. Koe maalunga tahe ki a pongi pongi. E au ke maalunga. Ko tikiri sa se tolu ua ki Tongatapu mo ua pe foki hapai. Ka tolu taha ke ngoni ua pe mo wawao. Ka koe taimi ko ia o tahi. Tau mari e tahi o skota koe pe me walu he poni. Pe mahatoka ia te ua nima koe ke tolu a hengi. Koe laa pe mo mahina hopo laa I he toi minite ua fitu ko ia. Ke fitu a pongpongi. Pe hopo mahina I he toi kuata koe ke walu pongpongi a pongpongi. Aho koe nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa. Kamatai pe me whalaitia au ke tu usite ko ia au ke kahau. Malawa ke uha tu mato ki Nuku'alofa. Ka koe fua mawhana a koe ni mga hako mai e nofo pe ke tikiri e tolu noa ke tolu ua ki Nuku'alofa. Pea koe taungatanga pe ke hani. Malawa pita homo mea mai. Ka mo mea.
Whamalohen kia inoke me toi ngai kau ngā ue wa whamatala ea, ino tuku mai ai whamatala ea whamumui taha ko ia. Ko e kakatoi pe ia ngā hiungongo mo le teo me televiso ni Tonga ki he hauwani, ka ki mua pia tau mawai ka te wakaile vai ni ki he ngāhi talanoa la rahi o he hauwa. Me ai tama Pirinis Kalauni me tahine Princess Kalauni I he polokalama makehe i ana whailonga I o e tau fo ou si aina. A ahi mai ki Tongani e tā ki e wa ngā ue whawhitu o e Office Whampastoa a Amerika I Fisi, pe a wikia mo whamalo ia e he Minista Takmamata, a Miss Lala I he polokalama makehe hiniangi a whi ahi Miss Pasifiki. Ko e ngahi o ngongo bea mo le teo me televiso nei Tonga ki he hauwani, e whakaamne a tonu atuia ke loto whale kotoa I he o tu Tongani. Ka mālo pe te tau kei whi au mai, mō mea. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, Chinese New Year celebrated in Nuku'alofa with their Royal Highnesses the Crown Prince and Crown Princess in attendance. Prime Minister Lord Whanua meets with US Embassy Suva's Head of Regional Affairs Office, and the Minister of Tourism thanks the Ms. Heilala, Sis Ana Taumepeao, for her efforts in representing Tonga at the Miss Pacific Islands pageant. We'll have these stories as well as the latest from sports and the weather updates coming up in tonight's bulletin. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. Their Royal Highnesses the Crown Prince Tupoto'a Ulukalala, Crown Princess Sinaitakala and their daughters were guests of honor at a special program celebration of the Chinese New Year in Nuku'alofa last night, which was organized by the Chinese Embassy. The Chinese New Year marks the beginning of a new year based on the lunar calendar, which follows the cycles of the moon. Each year is connected to one of 12 animals in the Chinese zodiac, with this year being the year of the horse. Litea Taukapo tells you more.
Traditionally, the Chinese embassy in Tonga hosts the celebrations at the embassy each year, but this year opened the celebrations to the wider public, hosting a block party at Digital Square for the Chinese community and all Tongans to enjoy. Honourable Fatawhehio Lapahatuita, the Prime Minister Lord Whanua, Cabinet Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps and many invited guests were also in attendance to enjoy the celebrations. Lord Whanua extended New Year greetings to the Chinese community and emphasized the close working relationship between Tonga and China.
On behalf of the government and the people of the Kingdom of Tonga, I extend our heartfelt festive greetings and best wishes to the Chinese community in Tonga and to all who have come to share in this celebration. May the year of the horse bring prosperity, good health, and happiness to all your families, and may your dreams be fulfilled in all your endeavors. The Spring Festival transcends mere celebration. It is a season of reunion, renewal, and hope. These values resonate deeply with us here in Tonga, where family and community are the cornerstone of our culture. In recent years, the relationship between China and Tonga has continued to advance with steadfast momentum, underpinned by mutual respect for core interests. The People's Republic of China's commitment to upholding Tonga's sovereignty and independence has been matched by Tonga's principled adherence to the One China principle. Reminding us through the video we saw earlier, the successful state visit of His Majesty King Dupo VI to the People's Republic of China last November marked a historic milestone in our bilateral relations, ushering in a new phase of vitality for our extensive and forward-looking strategic partnership.
In his address, the Chinese ambassador to Tonga, His Excellency Lu Wei-min, expressed appreciation for the partnership between Tonga and China and for the country's support for this important festival for the Chinese community, explaining the significance of this Spring Festival.
The Spring Festival, or Chinese New Year, is more than a celebration. It is a time-honored occasion for family reunion, renewal, and hope. First and foremost, it is a festival of reunion. Just as family is the cornerstone of Tongan culture, it is the very heart of Chinese civilization. No matter the distance, every effort is made to return home and gather with loved ones, leading to the largest human migration that the world can ever witness every year. Second, it is a time to bid farewell to the old and embrace the new. Homes are cleaned to sweep away misfortune. Red decorations are hung to welcome joy and blessings, and fireworks light up the sky to herald a fresh start. Third, it is a celebration that upholds timeless values, benevolence, gratitude, and heritage. Elders give red envelopes of lucky money to children. Families in northern China enjoy dumplings, while those in the south savor sweet rice balls. These customs, passed down through centuries, are the living threads of our culture. Deeply rooted in the hearts of every Chinese, the Spring Festival embodies our love for family and country and the spiritual essence of Chinese civilization. As an official United Nations holiday and a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage, it has become a bridge for intercultural exchange and mutual learnings. Its core values, peace, harmony, and unity, resonate profoundly across the globe. In Chinese culture, the horse symbolizes vitality, courage, enterprise, and loyalty. The year of the horse, 2026, is a year of great promise. It is also an important year for China-Tonga relations to build on our past achievements and write a brilliant new chapter.
Yesterday's celebrations featured Chinese songs, dances, traditional performances, cultural attire, and customs, as well as some Tongan traditional performances. Many members of the Chinese community also prepared and sold food items, including food that are commonly enjoyed by Chinese families during New Year celebrations. Many Tongans attended to watch and participate in the program, which served as a strong display of the friendly relationship between the Chinese and Tongan people. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
The Prime Minister Lord Whanua this week met with the head of the Regional Affairs Office of the U.S. Embassy in Suva, George Mills, who was visiting Tonga this week. The meeting also introduced the U.S. government's Pacific Region jet aircraft, which is made available to heads of governments across the Pacific to support selected regional travel. During his inaugural flight aboard the aircraft, the Prime Minister and delegation conducted an aerial survey that observed Hunga Tonga, Hunga Ha'apai, the Fua, and the currently active Home Reef volcano, which has an active alert level that remains at orange. And Ms. Heilala Ana Taumaipiao has returned to Tonga following her participation in the Miss Pacific Islands pageant and was formally welcomed by the Ministry of Tourism in a special program held yesterday afternoon at the Ministry's office in Nuku'alofa. Litea Tongatapu has the details.
After completing all official obligations to the regional competition, Ms. Moimoi arrived back in the kingdom early yesterday morning. The Ministry of Tourism hosted Moimoi, her family, and her team to acknowledge her efforts and commitment in representing Tonga on the regional stage. The Tourism Minister, Semisisika, expressed appreciation for Moimoi's efforts at the Miss Pacific Islands pageant, praising her representation of the country. He acknowledged that the main takeaway from the pageant was the fact that Sosi'ana unified the Tongan people, both local and abroad, bringing the people together in support of our representative at the Miss Pacific Islands pageant. The minister emphasized that the regional events, such as the Miss Pacific Island pageant, provide an important opportunity for national unity, as the country stands behind its representative. He also acknowledged that the competition is demanding and commended Ms. Heilala for representing Tonga with dignity and grace. In her remarks, Moimoi expressed heartfelt gratitude for the prayers, encouragement, and assistance she received during her pursuit of the Miss Pacific Islands crown. She noted that despite the challenges encountered during the competition, the experience allowed her to strengthen relationship with the fellow representatives from across the Pacific. She added that regardless of the final outcome, the contestants share a sense of achievement, having successfully completed the competition and built lasting friendships within the Pacific region.
Going to Fiji this past week just reminded me of the power it is when we stand together. The theme this year was One Voice, One Pacific. And as we were seeking that dream, I realized how important it was that our nations are united before we can come together as a region. Being on that Pacific stage gave me the opportunity to be courageous as an example to our youth, and being here in Tonga and getting to know our little ones and how much they value my role as the Miss Heilala, and being able to share that and to have a relationship with them and go before them and represent them is something that I will always cherish in my heart. So I just wanted to say, thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you for the time and the prayers and commitment given to rally behind me. Although we weren't able to come back with the crown this year, I think we came back with so much more. We came back with unity, with dignity, and with love. And I think there's so much we can do with that. And we don't necessarily need a title to have a role in the Pacific. Each of our islands have a unique mark. And I think this opened up a lot of doors for us.
Susi Anatamui Biao had placed a third runner-up at the pageant, having won the award for Best Sarong and the special award for Miss National Tourism. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
And that was the latest from the local scene. Up next, we'll join Pia Olie for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The government primary and middle schools will take part in this year's athletics competitions on the 5th and 6th of March, as selectors look for athletes for the inter-college sports in April. The district-level competitions are underway this week to select athletes to represent their districts next month, with the Eastern District hosting its event today at Teufaiva Park. For the first time, 8-year-olds are competing alongside older students in this year's government primary and middle school athletics program. The primary school's sports education officer, Heimuri Pangai, told Radio and Television Tonga Sports News the inclusion of young athletes has already paid off compared to previous years. Competitions were limited to athletes aged 9 to under 13. Pangai says today's event highlighted strong talent among the younger age group, with the children competing across various track events. He adds the program is progressing according to plan and allows more preparation time ahead of the inter-college sports in April. Pangai also acknowledged the support of parents and asked for their continued trust as coaches prepare the selected athletes. Meanwhile, the inter-college sports championships will be held from the 14th to the 17th of April. And that's sports news.
That was your sports news with Pia Olie. Now taking a look at the latest weather update from the Formal Weather Forecasting Centre, to be presented by Inoke Lelenga.
Good evening, welcome to Evening Forecast from Tonga Met. Here's our main stories for tonight. Fine weather with warm and humid air temperature will continue to experience over Tonga. Windy conditions, strong wind for the southern waters of Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau. So here's what the skies looks like from our satellite imagery. We can clearly see fine weather for all of Tonga, except Tongatapu and Eua. Occasional rain and also heavy falls at times we're experiencing Tongatapu and Eua. There's also an active trough lies over Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau, and this active trough here brings occasional rain, heavy falls and thunderstorms, and also strong wind, especially to the southern waters of Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau. From there, our strong wind warning and smoke craft advisory remains in force for Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau coastal waters. For the next 5 days, here's the active trough currently lies to the southern waters of Tonga. We will slowly move toward Tongatapu and Eua by Friday. This week, bringing some showers of rain, also Ha'apai, and will continue to move toward Vava'o by Saturday this week, bringing showers of rain. There's also an active trough lies to the north. We'll shift down to the Niuas, bringing showers of rain, possible heavy falls by the end of this week, and also the start of next week. But here's our forecast from tonight up until tomorrow morning. We're expecting mainly fine weather, except cloudy periods for all of Tonga. Our minimum temperature for tonight will drop down to 24 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Niua, 25 for Vava'o and Ha'apai, and 26 for the Niuas. Our winds still prevails from the north, light winds from the north and variables up to 10 knots at times for all of Tonga. For Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau coastal waters, northwesterly winds rising up 20-25 knots at times. Our forecast for tomorrow will be quite similar. Will be mainly fine except cloudy periods with periods of sunshine for all of Tonga. And our maximum for tomorrow will be reached up to 32 degrees Celsius, Tongatapu and Eua, also Ha'apai, 31 for Va'o, and also the Niuas. Our tide prediction, high tide will be at 8:15 p.m. tonight, and low tide will be at 25 minutes to 3 a.m. early tomorrow morning. Sun and moon sunrise will be at 27 minutes to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonrise will be at 7:45 a.m. tomorrow morning. Lastly, with a 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting by Friday up until Tuesday next week, we are expecting some showers of rain for Nuku'alofa. With our maximum temperature for the next 5 days will be up to 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. And that will be all for tonight. Good night.
Thank you to Inoke and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Chinese New Year celebrated in Nuku'alofa with their Royal Highnesses, the Crown Prince and Crown Princess in attendance. Prime Minister Lord Fofanoa meets with US Embassy Suva's Head of Regional Affairs Office, and the Ministry of Tourism thanks the Miss Lala for her efforts in representing Tonga at the Miss Pacific Islands pageant. That was the latest news with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.